Today, we should try to understand the transliteration, the pronunciation, and meaning of some words which look like same to the common reader. The words are PAASAA and PAASHAA. Gurbani is not merely a Punjabi language. Punjabi script, that is called Gurmukhi script. The script of Punjabi language is called Gurmukhi. So there is a difference between a language and its script. These are two different things. For example, if language is Hindi, its script is Devanagari. If the language is English, its script is called Roman. If the language is Urdu, its script is called Persian. If the language is Punjabi, its script is called Gurmukhi. So what is a script? Script is a combination of all the symbols by using which we can write the language. All the symbols put together. What kinds of symbols? The alphabet, the vowel sounds, and other symbols like bindi, tippi, and sound, then adhaka. So many other small letters used in the foot of the letters. So all these symbols, they constitute the script. So by using all these symbols, we can write the language, and that language is Punjabi. So in Guru Granth Sahib, the script is Gurmukhi. With this script, the writers have used many languages like Sanskrit, Prakrit, Persian, Arabic. These languages and the words from these languages, they are written in Punjabi script. So if Persian language is written in Punjabi script, then we cannot say that the language is Punjabi. The language is Persian, but written in Gurmukhi script. That means a person knowing Gurmukhi, knowing Punjabi, can read the paragraph, but he may not understand the meaning if the person does not know Persian. So here the words are PAASAA and PAASHAA. PAASAA word has S sound in it, and the transliteration will be PAASAA, PAASAA. S will be having its fundamental sound S, PAASAA. Its meaning is near. Let us have some examples from the Holy Book where this word is PAASAA and its meaning is nearby. On page 1145, there is a line, Dukh Sukh Hamra Tis Hi PAASAA. It means Dukh means pain, Sukh means peace, pain and peace. Hamra means our pain and peace. Tis Hi PAASAA is with him. This Hi means with him, with God, under God, with God. That means our pain and peace is controlled by God. PAASAA is with God. He gives us pain, He gives us peace. PAASAA means near, with. Then on page 1073, there's a line, Jis vakhar ko thum aaye ho, so payo satgur PAASAA hai. Here the word is again PAASAA. Jis vakhar ko tum aaye ho. Vakhar means merchandise. So the merchandise for which you have been sent to the world, so payo Satguru PAASAA hai. That merchandise is with the Guru, with the true Guru. That merchandise can be obtained from the true Guru, and this merchandise is meditation, simran, devotion, and that can be obtained from the true Guru because it is with the Satguru. So from the Satguru we can get it. So here the word PAASAA means with, near, in control. Then on page 340 there is a line, Chacha iha Chhatrapati PAASAA. Chacha is a letter from Punjabi alphabet, Chacha. Its English equivalent is CHH, Chacha. Chhatrapati means sovereign lord. This is with the sovereign lord. PAASAA, near, with. Cold in Punjabi it means cold, near, nede. On page 327 there is a line, Aisi rahat rahon hari PAASAA. Aisi means such as. Rahat means way of life. Way of life. Aisi rahat raho. So I should adopt such a way of life. Hari PAASAA so that I may live near God. I may realize God nearby. Haripasa. I may feel that God is with me. So ऐसी रहत रहूं, so I may adopt such a way of life to get closeness with God. Here the word pasa means with, near, nearby. Then on page 1077 there is line Sant Sabha Jahan Baisahi Prabh Passe. Here the word pasa is in the form passe, having the same meaning, nearby. Sant Sabha Jahan Baisahi Prabh Passe. So where the saints sit together, where the saints, the devotees, sit together in the saints' congregation, there they feel that they are with God. They feel nearness of God. So passe here means nearby. So in all the examples we see that the word is pasa, having s sound, meaning nearby. Now let us see some other examples where this word is not pasa, this word is pasha. So pasha is a word from Sanskrit word pashak. Pashak. Pashak means dice. D-I-C-E, dice, used in the game of chess. Now see an example from page 78. Sab safalyo janam tinada gurmukhi jina manujini pasha talya. Sab safalyo janam. Janam is life. Safalyo is fruitful. All their life is fruitful. The persons have their life fruitful. The persons, by the grace of the Guru, have their life fruitful. Jina manujin pasha talya. The persons who, after conquering the mind, after controlling the mind, pasha talya, just threw the dice in a nice way, threw the dice just like in a game of chess, threw the dice of good actions, played the game of life in a nice way. They made their life fruitful. Why? Because having control over the mind, pasha talya, means played the game of life by controlling the mind. That means threw the dice in a nice way, the dice of good actions, we can say. Here the word is pasha, not pasa. S has a special sound, sha, meaning dice. Now on page 474, 8th line from the top. Jun sahib naal nahariye te veha pasha taliye. This line is from War Asa, written by the first Guru, and this war is sung in almost every religious place early in the morning, and the singers, the Ragijathas, have the pronunciation of the word Pasha in this line as PAASAA. I heard no Ragijatha, no singer saying this word as Pasha. I don't know why. I don't know whether they search out the meanings before they sing. They search out the languages of the words before they sing. So if they have some effort in this direction, then they can make their pronunciation to the point based on the used languages. So when in War Asaki they say Pasa Taliye, it is all meaningless. It has no meaning. Pasa means near, nearby. Pasa Taliye has no meaning. If it is Pasha Taliye, it has meaning. It has correct meaning. Jo sahib naal nahariye, sahib means master. Jo means as. Naal nahariye, we may not get defeat in the God's court. Te veha pasha taliye, according to that, keeping in mind that we may not get defeat in the God's court, we should throw the dice in a nice way. Pasha taliye. Based on that, we should throw the dice of life, the dice of this game of life in such a way that we may not get defeat at the hands of Jam. That means we may not be put into the circle of transmigration. So, in order to escape defeat, we should throw the dice in a nice way in this game of life. This is the correct meaning, and this meaning can only be there if we speak this word as Pasha. This is not Pasa as the Ragijathas in singing Varasaki pronounce. It's not like that. It should be Pasha. It will be spoken as Pasha. Let us go to the next example on page 1185, 12th line from the top. In Bidhi Pasha Talaho Bir. Bir. Bir means brave. Oh, the brave or the brave pupil throw the dice in this way. Throw the dice in this way. Throw the dice in the game of life in this way. In Vidhi means method, in this way, in Vidhi, in this way. Paashaa talaho, throw the dice of life. This life just a game of chess. And we have actions, we have to do actions. So have the good actions, through the dice of good actions in this life. This is the message of this line. So here the word was paashaa, meaning dice. Then on page 1403, 17th line from the top, Ape naru, ape fun nari, ape shari, aap hi paashaa. Here the writer, the poet Gayand, praises the fourth Guru Ram Das Ji, saying, Guru Ram Das Ji is within a man, is within a woman. Guru Ram Das Ji is a pawn. Guru Ram Das Ji is a dice too. Ape shari, himself is shari, pawn. Api paashaa, himself is the dice. Praising the fourth Guru in this way is wonderful. So paashaa is dice. On page 482, first line from the top, Bazigari sansar kabira chet tal paashaa. Bazigari, this life is just like a game. Just like a nerd plays tricks, shows tricks to the pupil. This life is just like a bazigari, just like a game. Bazigari sansar, sansar is world, this world just like a game. Kabira, Kabira is the name of the saint, the writer. Chet tal paashaa, have meditation, have devotion, memorize God, throw the dice in this way. Throw the dice in this way. Here is the point that Saint Kabir tries to explain. Have meditation, throw the dice of meditation, remember God, paashaa, dice. On page 1020, Ape paashaa, ape shari, God himself is the dice, himself is the pawn, just like in the game of chess. On page 793, there is a line, Kaho Kabir, Tejan kabhu na harahe, Taali jo jaane paashaa. Kaho Kabir, Saint Kabir says, Tejan kabhu na harahe. Tejan means those persons. Kabhu na hare means never get defeated. Tal jo jane Pasha, who know how to throw the dice in a nice way. Those persons will never ever get defeated. So this is a nice word, Pasha. Not PAASAA here, it's Pasha. Then on page 793 again, there's a line, Hukme Bujai, Chopad Khela, Manjin Tale Pasha. Hukme Bujai, realizing God, realizing the will of God. Hukum is will. Bujai means to realize, to understand. Chopad Khela plays the game of chess. Manjin, conquering the mind, throws the dice. So, by realizing the will of God, plays the game of chess, throws the dice after controlling the mind. So if someone throws the dice after controlling the mind, the dice will be thrown in a nice way and the person will not get defeated. Thus we see that Gurbani is not merely Punjabi, it contains Arabic, Persian, Sanskrit, Prakrit, many other languages. So the reader is supposed to have a time to search the languages, to search the structure of words, to compare the structure of words and try to speak based on the languages used to get more help in this direction. One should take the help of Mahan Kosh. In that book, which is written after a long struggle, long research of 14 years, in that book, which is called the Encyclopedia of Sikhism, one can find the word PAASAA is there, the word PAASHAA is there, the meanings are there, and consulting these books, one can improve the pronunciation of this precious writing in the Sikh scripture called Guru Granth. So there is no other way to improve the pronunciation than to consult Mahan Kosh, which is the great book in this direction, which tells us the languages used in the holy book, the roots of the words with their meanings. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa.